All right, guys, welcome in today's video. We're here to talk about the $100 a month dividends only portfolio. So I have a playlist created on my channel. So go to my playlist and we got 2 videos posted. And the one you're watching now is update number 3. So it's going to be the 3rd video of the $100 portfolio series. And let's see how the portfolio is looking. All right, guys, so here's the first stock. If you've been following the series, you know what stocks we got here on the channel. So this one here is ticker symbol ORC. We currently have a total of 20 shares, and we have an average cost of $2.96, and it's currently trading at $3.13. And our total gain loss, we're up 5.67%. We're up $3.36. So we're up on that position, and we go here and take a look at the ORC dividend history, and if you're already going to look to getting the dividends for this current payout, actually the record date just passed. And those shares, those 20 shares, will qualify to get me the 0.045 cents, and that payment date will be June 28th. So let's go here and take a look now at the actual payouts for ORC on the portfolio. So here you can see we only got a total of $200 invested in this portfolio, and we received the dividend on 5/27 of 45 cents. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're talking a $200 portfolio and to get 45-cent dividend, this is going to be a monthly dividend, roughly around that. And as I increase the position, it'll hopefully grow over the coming months. So that's a nice start to see. Down here, you can see where I started the purchases. We bought our first set of shares back on April the 14th. We bought more on May the 12th. So not bad. Like I said, we're getting that position built up. Now, let's go take a look at the next stock in the dividends only portfolio. The next stock here on the list going to be ticker symbol SLVO. And you can see here, my average cost basis is $4.98 per share. It's currently trading at $4.50 per share. And we are currently down in that position, actually. We are down 9.68%. We're down $4.82. So not looking good that we're down pretty heavy on that position. But go here and take a look at the dividend history. So we just got a payment out, and it paid 0.0629 cents per share. So almost 17% dividend, guys. So looking to pay out about 75 cents per year. Let's go take a look how the dividends paid out on this stock. Okay, so this one here, we have a little bit update because we actually have 2 months of dividends for this stock to go over in this video. So you can see we bought shares back here on April the 14th, and we got a 67-cent dividend on April the 25th. We bought more shares on May the 5th, and we got a dividend on May 25th at 63 cents. Now, I think I missed the dividend payout on that one. That's why the dividend went down a little bit, because we actually had more shares, but they didn't make it into that month. So, but as I add these in every month, and we're actually due to add $100 to this portfolio, and we're going to go over that here in this video as well, as you'll see how I've been adding in, and we're going to be very transparent. So getting 67 cents the first month and 63 cents the second month. Like I said, we're just going to keep buying a little bit each month, and we'll average that cost down, which will help. And we haven't got to see, if you look here at SLVO, they have not announced any dividends yet here for June. So I will be checking this daily to see when they give an update on how much the dividend would be. You can see here some months they paid 13 cents, and this other month they paid 6 cents. So the dividend kind of jumps around. So we will see when this updates and get the effective dates for the effective date and the record date, and make sure we get those shares bought if it's a good dividend. So let's go take a look now at the last stock. So the last stock here on the list is ticker symbol USOI, and we have a total of 15 shares of that, and we have an average cost of $5.59. It's currently trading at $5.76, and our total gain loss, we are actually up 3.11%. We're up $2.61. So I forgot to disclose that SLVO, we only had 10 shares of that. So 10 shares of that, we had 20 shares of ORC and 15 shares of USIO. So now let's go take a look here at USOI on the dividend history. Same with SLVO. They have not announced any kind of June update yet, but here you can see we got paid 22 cents per share dividend for that month. So we're going to go take a look at the dividend payout on those 15 shares. It's a nice one. Here down below, we got a payment here on May 25th of $3.42 cash dividend, guys. That is nice. On 15 shares, we got $3.42 dividend. That's what I'm talking about. Like I said, coming into this, I wanted to pick stocks that are monthly dividend payers and have pretty high rates because I'm looking to take advantage of this situation we're in with the market, where the market's kind of risk off. So these kind of stocks here are kind of doing pretty good. So I will eventually probably trade out of these stocks as the market starts to go risk owning more. But until these dividends get dropped, the stock price goes down more, we could see about trading out of these because we'll see how the market goes. But now I'm happy to keep buying them up and maybe just keep letting it go. We'll see. But so far the portfolio is doing great. You see the first month of dividends, we did get 98 cents. I think I only had 5 shares because like I said, guys, I'm only adding $100 per month into this portfolio. So there you can see between that and that, we got about $4.40 in dividends on those 15 shares so far. So not bad. So now let's go take a look here at the total portfolio overall. And here you can see down at the bottom, the account total is we only invested $200 of our own money into this. And here you can see it's a total current value of $207.31. Now, as you can see, the total gain loss, it says we're only up $1.15, up 0.6% because it does not account in the dividends that we received. So that's why, because we are currently down in SLVO as well. Here you can see the portfolio. We did our first transfer on April the 14th. We put in $100. Here on the 14th, you can see where I was buying up those shares right here. We got a little dividend payout of 98 cents on the 25th, a 67-cent dividend. Then on May the 3rd, we deposited another $100. And then you can see here on the 5th, we bought some shares. And we bought more shares here on the 12th. And we got our dividends payout on the 25th. We got the $3.42. We also got the 63 cents to 45 cents. And actually now I am due to deposit the $100 here for June. So I'll probably transfer that money in here tomorrow, and we will have a total of $300 into the portfolio. I know, right? Like, this is going so fast. Like, I swear it was just yesterday we started this $100 only portfolio, and we started mid-month in April, and then now we're trying to get it around the 1st through the 3rd of the $100. We did it on the 3rd last month, so tomorrow will be the 3rd, so that's perfect. Well, today's the 3rd, I guess, by the time you're seeing this video. So we'll get the $100 in there, and we'll let that money set, see how the market does the next few days. Maybe Friday we'll get a little dip, and if we get that dip, I could pick up some of these shares because sometimes the market likes to sell off on Friday. So, all right, guys, that is it for the dividends only portfolio. I did research a lot of the stocks you guys commented down below, and I did write them down. I'm keeping them on the watch list, and if I do add different stocks, I will update you that in future videos. So, like I said, comment down below any stocks that are monthly dividends only or great dividend portfolio stocks that I will be looking to add to this portfolio. So, all right, guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you all next video, guys. Peace.